Hey everybody, I hope you guys are doing well at home. I know y'all miss getting up early every morning and coming spending your mornings with me doing math. Because I know for sure I miss you guys like crazy. While we're in this strange situation, we still have to do some schoolwork. I know you're not big fans of that, but it's going to be okay, I promise. So while you're at home, you're going to be learning from home. So we are going to be using our Chromebooks, a lot of Google Classroom. I'm going to be talking to you every week through these videos, and we're going to try and set up some other chats through our Chromebook. More on that later. So, however, for the first week, I do not want you guys to stress out. We're just going to be reviewing some stuff we have already talked about. We are going to talk about basic multiplication. Well, we're going to talk about multi-digit multiplication because that's where we need to strengthen up at. So we're going to review a little bit, and once we kind of get this process of learning from home down, we'll move in to something else. Because as of right now, we are out through the beginning of April. Could last longer, we don't know. As soon as we know, you'll know. So right now, we're going to talk about two-digit by two-digit multiplication. Fourth and fifth grade, today you're getting the same video because you're going to be working on the same thing. So I have taught both of you grades multiple ways to do multiplication. You have your partial products, box method. However, we are going to focus on one method in particular. We are going to focus on standard algorithm. Because ultimately, that is going to be what you have to know. Because as you get older and math gets more complicated, standard algorithm is going to be the most efficient way to solve. You're not going to be able to break big numbers down in box method. You're just creating too much of a problem. So we're going to practice our standard algorithm. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a video of just walking through a basic two-digit by two-digit multiplication problem using standard algorithm. So I have 24 times 38. Now, while you guys are sitting at home bugging your moms, dad, grandparents, Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, I'm hungry. And they're like, you just ate 10 minutes ago, but I'm hungry again. Stop annoying them and work on your basic multiplication facts. If you know your basic multiplication facts, this stuff is tons easier. So make it easy on yourself. You got a lot of time off. Put down the phone, put down the games. Give yourself a little time to just brush up on your basic multiplication facts and make everything easier on you. So, okay, let's go ahead and walk through this one step by step. First of all, we're going to take our bottom ones and we're going to multiply it by the top two numbers. So my first step would be to go 8 times 4, which is, that's right, 32. Now I'm going to put my 2 down here and I'm going to regroup that 30 by putting the 3 up here. My next step, I'm going to multiply my bottom ones times the top tens, which is 8 times 2, which is, that's right, 16. Then we're going to add that 3 over there. So 16 plus 3 is, that's right, 19. Now, this is a key part. The next step is a step that's forgotten a lot. And I'm thinking of one in particular fifth grader who knows it better than anybody. Our next step is to add our placeholder 0 under the 2. And now I'm going to get ready to multiply the bottom tens by the top two numbers. I'm going to go ahead and mark this out or erase it because I've already regrouped that 3 and I don't want it to come and cause a problem later on and confuse me. So now I'm going to do 3 times 4, which is, that's right, 12. Now, I'm going to carry that 1. See, this is why I marked out that 3. Now, I'm carrying another number over there, and I don't want to get it confused. And remember, another mistake that is commonly made is we multiply, then add that. This group number does not get multiplied. It gets added after multiplication. So now I'm doing 3 times 2, which is 6. Then add that 1, which is 7. Now I'm on my last step. I'm going to add my 2 products together. Remember what a product is. Product is the answer to what? Multiplication problem. That's right. Good job. So now we're going to add 2 plus 0. 2. 9 plus 2. 11. Put your 1. Don't forget to regroup this 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus that one is 9. So our answer is 912. The product of 24 times 38 is 912. Remember, we multiplied the bottom ones times the top number, got this product. Then we went to the bottom tens, multiplied it by that, got this product. Then we added our 2 products together and got the sum of 912. Now, this is the number 1 area as a whole you guys struggle with. Some of you got a pretty good hold on it, some of you don't. So we're going to take a little while and practice it. That way we can not only trying to get our minds going, like priming a pump and cranking a lawnmower, we're getting that going. So you kind of get back into learning mode a little bit. We're still trying to figure out this online thing. So we're working on that. So we're going to work on some multiplication this week. We're going to do our iReady still. We're going to have a different assignment usually every day. And then we'll finish it up by practicing in your Go Math books that you should have brought home. Which the Go Math is going to help you with your testing strategies. You're breaking down the problems and you're being able to recognize what kind of problem you're doing. Now, if you get stuck on anything, you're not sure about something, you can comment on Google Classroom. All your people, your family, somebody in your family knows how to get hold of me. If it's something you're struggling with very hard, get hold of me. I will walk you through it. We will get through it. So, this week, multiplication. Next week, it'll probably be different for both grade levels. I'll probably do something different for 4th, different for 5th. But we're just getting the gears going with this. So, all right, guys. I miss you. I love you guys. I can't wait to see you again. Y'all enjoy working from home. And we will hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye.